Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to upload guys Oppo phone guys hotspot setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we disable mobile hotspot in our Oppo phone device. Friends, you don't want to use guys your hotspot setting guys, you want to disable, so how can you disable it? Friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we disable guys our phone hotspot setting. Open your phone setting, and guys, where is guys your hotspot setting guys? So once you can off from here guys, phone connection and sharing option, tap here, and once you can see your hotspot setting guys, you can find here. Once you can see QR code, and once you can see guys your hotspot. So guys, after disable guys, QR code will remove on your screen guys. Wait and watch. QR code will remove guys, we cannot use guys. If you want to share guys your mobile network and Wi-Fi, so you will have to enable again your hotspot, then you can share. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable mobile hotspot in Oppo phone. So bye guys.